I was being 100% for real when I said that I haven't even opened this yet. Super flattering on. We love the crossover, okay? I love detailing in the back like this. And the back says change fate. And I'm blessed to be a part of the team. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another try-on haul. I feel like I've been doing a lot of these recently, but I don't mind it. I love doing try-on hauls, honestly. I have been waiting to open this package with you guys for like over 3 weeks now. So this is phase 1 launch of the rebrand from Cheri to now Change Fate activewear. I'm super excited. I haven't even seen what I got yet, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to be trying on these pieces for you. Also, phase 2 launch is literally tomorrow, aka July 29th. I'm going to be putting a lot of pictures on the screen right now for this phase 2 launch. I actually went to California 2 weeks ago now to shoot for this new launch that drops tomorrow. So I have a lot of other content on my other socials, Instagram, TikTok. I have some shorts about this new collection, as well as the California trip vlog will be coming soon. So stay tuned for that. And you can see all of these pieces then too. But for today, we are doing phase 1. I'm super excited. I have been working with this brand for over, I'd say 2 years now. So I'm really excited to see some of the new stuff that they have transitioned to and rebranded from the old brand to this new Change Fate brand. Let's get into the package. I was being 100% for real when I said that I haven't even opened this yet. First things first, these beautiful colors. I was really hoping I got these because I've seen them on other people, and these are so cute. These are the shorts, super cute, ribbed waistband, crossover in the front. We love the crossover, okay. Instead of this being printed, this is like a rubbery logo, which I like. Scrunch butt, of course. And I just love this color. This is gonna be super cute. They're super comfy feeling, so as you guys can see, they're super flattering on, really cute on the glutes and the waist, just snatch you really good. Here is the sports bra. This is a non-padded white sports bra with a little crossover front, a nice strappy back, super cute. I am a lover of some cute white sports bras. I love detailing in the back like this. And again, like that rubbery logo right here. Super cute, super soft fabric. All right, now for the leggings. We have these super cute ribbed and scrunch leggings. These are like a red kind of color. I would say it's like a cranberry, pink, red color. I really like it. Feel like it's gonna look different on camera because I've seen other pictures and videos on girls and it looked more pinky, but I really like this. Super cute, super flattering. I love these rib detailings. Another pair of shorts. We have the same as the pink, except these are a deep chocolate brown. I love. Again, the scrunch butt. This fabric is super comfy and soft. Last thing, you can never go wrong with a nice big t-shirt. This one I love because what it says on it. It says it's never too late, and the back says change fate. Their slogan is it's never too late to change your fate. Huge t-shirt. I love big t-shirts to work out in, so I'm really excited to wear this to the gym and just around the house, etc. So it's also really soft, lightweight material. Some t-shirts are just like really thick, which sometimes I don't really like that because I still want to be able to breathe, you know, when I'm sweaty, hot, working out at the gym. And that was all for this video. I hope you absolutely loved it. I'm super excited to wear all these pieces to the gym. I'm sure you're gonna see on my other socials pictures, videos of me wearing these pieces as well. Super excited for this new rebrand, and I'm blessed to be a part of the team. I'm so blessed to have been able to meet other girls that are a part of the team and the owner of this brand. It was a super fun event, and so I definitely feel more connected to this brand than ever before. I'm excited to see if any of you guys are gonna rock these pieces as well, twin with me maybe. I do have a discount code, it's just Lindsey, and you can get 10% off your order. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys wanna see from me, and I got you. So, love you guys. Mwah! But she's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love.